Everyone, welcome. My name is Nairiza Alvin from Group CS26-10. I'm going to present IoT-enabled water level monitoring and automated control system for sustainable water management. And I'm going to take you through the first parts of the presentation, and then my colleagues will come along. So water supply systems play a crucial role in supporting the daily activities of the households and educational institutions and industries. Uh, so usually to ensure uninterrupted availability, many facilities and homes and institutions usually depend on storage tanks to hold and distribute water whenever it is needed. And storage tanks can be underground tanks below the ground level. Storage tanks can also be above the buildings, as we've all seen. And so the demand for water, as it continues to grow, effective monitoring and control of these storage systems becomes increasingly important. And uh, however, in many institutions and homes, so the management of water levels in these storage tanks is still handled through manual methods, whereby a person is going to come and check manually the water levels in these tanks. And the absence of intelligent monitoring limits the efficiency and makes it difficult to respond promptly to the changing water levels in these storage tanks. And now, with the emergence of smart technologies, IoT, there's growing interest in improving traditional water management approaches, for example, manual methods through automation and digital control monitoring solutions. So, in response to this issue, this project has been implemented in a smart water level monitoring and management system that improves the efficiency and reliability of water storage operations in homes and institutions. So it focuses on automating the detection of water levels in storage tanks and also controlling pump operations based on real-time conditions. Note that in these storage water tanks, uh, water is usually pumped and stored in these storage tanks. So automating and controlling pumping operations has been implemented in this project according to real-time needs. So by reducing reliance on manual supervision, this system minimizes water wastage, prevention, equipment damage, and ensure consistent water availability. So the integration of sensors, embedded controllers, and communication technologies enables continuous monitoring and timely decision making in these homes and institutions, depending on the availability of water. Through this approach, the project provides a practical, low-cost, and scalable solution for modern water management using an IoT-enabled water level monitoring and automated control system for sustainable water management. And the related works we looked at while on how to develop this project. We looked at sensor-based water level monitoring systems. We looked at IoT-enabled water level monitoring systems. We also looked at automated water pump control systems and also water level monitoring systems using GSM network, and many more, as my colleagues are going to present to us in the coming slides. Uh, Allow me invite my next colleague to pick it up from here and take us through the next part of the presentation. Thank you so much.
My name is Ata Deborah. I'm going to take you through the problem statement and the objectives for our project report presentation. So our domain problem, we're looking at monitoring and managing of water levels in tanks being a major challenge for homes, for institutions, and for different communities. And we're looking at manual methods that people usually rely on, like visual checks, climbing up to the tanks to check if the water is done, and everything to do with human intervention, which later becomes inefficient. And this inefficiency can lead to overflows, resulting to wastage of water, shortages, and also damage of the pumps relating to the tanks that are being used. And these issues, like we've seen, the human intervention can cause water wastage, higher operational costs, and also disrupt service reliability in case of the water shortages. And our main objective for our system was to develop an Internet of Things enabled automated water level monitoring system to enable users to monitor the system from their web interface, from an interface that is close to them, and also that this automated system could prevent water overflow by automatically switching off the water pump connected to the tank, and also preventing water shortages by automatically turning on the pumping system after the water levels have been detected as below a given set threshold, so that the water is pumped from the water reservoirs, that is why it's stored, into the domestic and institutional water storage tanks that supply water to the buildings and to the different the different areas where it's to be used, or to the taps. And our specific objectives to help us achieve the main objective: to develop an Internet of Things enabled system for detecting water levels in a single tank, where we implemented sensors, different microcontrollers to enable us detect water levels, different water levels, adjusting water levels for a single tank, and also to automate the pump activities in case the water level is detected it is on a lower level and almost leading to shortage, then the pump is activated